Some activities on the Inventorium are templates. You can think of templates like a digital worksheet. All you have to do to complete a template activity is click on the template to download it, and then open it up in word editing software. Here, you need to follow through the steps one by one and input your answers, just like a written worksheet. When you're done, click on Save and close your work. I can submit a template by finding the relevant submission. In this case, I want to find the birth rate submission, which is of course for the birth rate template. Here, I click on Add Submission, and then I click in the middle here to upload my work. Click on Browse. Find your work on your computer. Here's mine, birth rate template. Double click on it and click on Upload. Click on Save Changes. And now I've submitted the birth rate template. My teacher or tutor will now receive an email letting them know that I've submitted the template. It'll look like this. All that my teacher or tutor has to do is click on the email and follow the link in the email to the submission. Here, they can click on Grade, and they can download my work by clicking on the link here. Once they've checked my work, they can choose either a P for pass or an NP for no pass. An NP just means that I need to do a little bit of extra work on it to get it to a passing grade. Once they've chosen the grade, they can type in whatever feedback they like and click on Save Changes. Now, the activity should be marked as complete.